Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Carson Rouse back with Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about UONE stock and how it rose 1,735%. So UONE is a company that you likely have never even heard of until the last couple of days. I'm just going to be talking a little bit about the company, about their stock, and why the heck they just rose to insane levels. It's not every day you see a stock go up nearly 2,000% in a few days and be halted nearly 9 times for volatility. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down and hit that like. First off, what is UONE? UONE is a media conglomerate company with many different brands under their belt. Founded back in 1980, this is a media company specifically tailored to African Americans. According to them, through their radio programs, television programs, and media, they have reached 82% of the African American population. They also claim to have over 200 million app streams and over 40 million video streams. They hold a bold claim that they can represent black culture whilst informing, entertaining, and staying culturally relevant throughout the process. Currently, their stock is trading at levels that we haven't seen since 2004. Their revenues and all of their other financials aren't really that impressive right now. In fact, they're actually down a bit from the virus. So what the heck is up with all this growth? So their stock actually trades for 2 different classes. Their Class A shares currently sell for around $12.50 a share, and their Class D shares currently sell for around $2.50 a share. What's really concerning is that the Class A shares rose way higher than the Class D shares. In fact, the Class A shares rose about 3 times higher than the Class D shares is, even though they should be pretty mirrored, pretty similar. So the D is pretty small right now. Why is this concerning though, you may ask? This shows that investors right now are impulse buying, and they are buying this stock out of fear of missing out, and there's a good chance that they don't even know that there is a Class D of shares. But let's actually look into the reasons that the stock rose. Let's get into reason number 1. The Black Lives Matter movement is by far the main reason that this stock has rose so dramatically. There is so much news press and news stories right now about the Black Lives Matter movement and so much going on in the black. This drove many investors to take a better look at this stock, considering that they tailor their services to African Americans. According to the own company, they cater to the Black America. Due to this whole movement, people are now more inspired than ever to give support to black-owned businesses or black-catered businesses. Reason number 2, a company known as Brigade Capital sold nearly $4 million worth of these shares. This drove their stock price way down, and it drove many investors to look at the stocks, because when a stock goes way down, people think that they can buy up a bunch of cheap shares and hopefully it'll go right back up again. And just for fun, if this company would have held on to their shares and they would have sold their shares at the high instead of when they did, they could have sold their shares for well over $150 million instead of the measly $4 million that they sold them for. I bet they are kicking themselves. They are the laughingstock of the stock community right now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was pretty short, but I hope you did take something from it. If you did, you gotta go down and subscribe to this channel. I mean, you have to. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.